Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where we bring you detailed, honest, and up-to-date car reviews to help you choose the perfect ride. Today, we're checking out one of the most iconic and popular sedans on the road, the Honda Civic. And the one in front of us comes finished in a stunning blue color that really enhances its sporty and modern character. The Civic has always been known for blending performance, reliability, and style. And in this review, we'll take a deep dive into everything it offers so you can decide if it deserves a spot in your garage. Starting with the exterior. The Honda Civic immediately grabs attention with its sharp and aggressive design language. From the front, the slim LED headlights give the car a focused and confident look, flowing seamlessly into the blacked-out grille that proudly carries the Honda badge. The front bumper design adds a sporty edge without feeling too overdone, and the blue paint reflects light beautifully, highlighting every contour and line on the hood. This color especially brings out the Civic's youthful and energetic personality, making it stand out whether it's parked or on the move. Moving toward the back, the Civic continues to impress with a clean yet athletic design. The rear lights are sleek and modern, stretching across the body to give the car a wider stance. The trunk design is smooth and practical, while the rear bumper completes the look with a balanced and well-finished appearance. Overall, the exterior design feels premium, aerodynamic, and perfectly suited for drivers who want style, with everyday USA bility. Inside the cabin. The Honda Civic offers a refined and driver-focused interior that feels both modern and comfortable. As you step in, you'll notice the quality of materials and the thoughtful layout of the dashboard. Everything feels solid and well-assembled, giving confidence in long-term durability. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long drives enjoyable, and the driving position offers excellent visibility. The interior design complements the blue exterior with darker tones that create a sporty yet elegant atmosphere. The infotainment system is easy to use and supports smartphone connectivity, allowing you to stay connected on the go. The steering wheel feels great in hand and includes controls for audio and other features, adding to driving convenience. Rear seat passengers are also well taken care of, with good legroom and headroom for a sedan in this class, making the Civic a practical choice for small families and daily commuting. When it comes to performance. The Honda Civic has always been a favorite among drivers who enjoy a responsive and engaging driving experience. The engine delivers smooth and efficient power, making city driving effortless while still offering confidence on the highway. Acceleration feels quick and controlled, and the car responds well when you need to overtake. The suspension strikes a great balance between comfort and sportiness, absorbing road imperfections while still keeping the car stable and planted. Steering is precise and light, which makes handling corners and parking easy. One of the Civic's biggest strengths is its fuel efficiency, allowing you to enjoy spirited driving without constantly worrying about fuel costs. It's a car that feels fun to drive, yet remains practical for everyday use. Talking about pricing. The Honda Civic sits in a competitive position within the compact sedan segment. Prices vary depending on the variant and market, but overall, the Civic offers excellent value for the features, performance, and reliability it provides. Maintenance costs are reasonable, and Honda's reputation for long-lasting vehicles adds extra peace of mind. Resale value is also strong, making the Civic a smart investment over time. You're getting a car that not only looks good, but also holds its value well. As for suggestions, the Honda Civic is an excellent choice for drivers who want a stylish, reliable, and enjoyable sedan. It's ideal for daily commuters, young professionals, and small families who want a car that feels fun without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. If you appreciate sporty design, smooth performance, and modern technology, the Civic is definitely worth considering. Choosing the blue color is a great option for those who want their car to stand out, while still looking classy and refined. To wrap things up, the Honda Civic continues to live up to its legendary reputation. With its bold exterior design, comfortable and modern interior, engaging performance, and competitive pricing, it remains one of the best all-round sedans in its class. Honda has successfully created a car that appeals to both the heart and the mind. If you found this detailed review helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Car Updated for more in-depth and honest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.